A step-by-step guide on how to open the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear, and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. To remove the screen from the body, apply heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it until the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Next, use a suction cup at the bottom to lift the screen and create a small gap. Insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Work around the edges to loosen the adhesive. This step takes time. Be patient. Once the screen is free, open it from right to left to a 90-degree angle. Please note the flex cables are still connected. Handle with care. Next, remove the shield by undoing 8 screws. Be careful with the top screw near the sensor plug and while lifting the shield. Next, disconnect the battery connector and then unplug the display connector and followed by the sensor assembly connector. Now the screen can be fully separated from the body.